Hello and welcome to the BA Interior and Spatial Design course introduction. I'm Shibboleth, course leader of the BA Interior and Spatial Design. So why choose our course? Why choose Interior and Spatial Design at Camberwell? The first reason is our community. When you join us, you become part of the University of the Arts London, one of the world's leading art and design universities. We're also #1 in the UK for creative entrepreneurship, and we are highly ranked for sustainability and ethics. You will have access to amazing facilities, expert staff, and a vibrant creative network across 6 unique colleges. Our course is based at Camberwell College of Art, which is small enough to feel personal, but full of energy. Our shared wood, metal, ceramics, and print workshops are brilliant spaces for hands-on making, testing ideas, and working collaboratively. The course is located in Camberwell, near Peckham, one of London's most vibrant and diverse neighborhoods. It's an inspiring place to study spatial design and rethink how we live, work, and play. And what really sets us apart as a course is how deeply we engage with this local context. We collaborate with community groups and organizations like the South London Gallery and Theatre Peckham to tackle real-world challenges and create work that makes a difference. The second reason is our history. Interior and Spatial Design at UL is one of the UK's longest-running interior design courses. We were established in 1975. So we have a lot of experience, and also much has changed. Our location, structure, and methods. At the heart, the course remains the same. We help students think critically, experiment boldly, and push creative boundaries in unexpected ways. And finally, our values. We believe design has the power to shape society. On this course, you will work on live projects, real projects that respond to real issues, designing spaces that are inclusive, sustainable, and socially engaged. From climate change to social justice, we explore big questions, and we will support you to build a design practice rooted in your values and creative purpose. In year 1, you will start by getting to know each other, the course, the college, and the local area. You will build core skills in drawing, digital tools, and spatial representation through hands-on collaborative projects. In a recent live build, students worked with local school children to design playful outdoor learning tools. They used recycled materials. They tested ideas through making. And they documented the process through orthographic drawing. Through projects like this, we begin exploring the ethical and cultural dimensions of design and what it means to be a designer today. In year 2, you will continue to develop your design voice and gain the tools to express it. Through a studio and research project, you will explore complex urban sites and investigate how design can support equity, sustainability, and social change. In the Toilet Stories project, students reimagine public toilets, spaces full of political and spatial tensions. They built on the skills they learned in first year and started using advanced tools like 3D rendering, virtual reality, and AI for design development and documentation. In year 2, we also expand collaboration beyond the course and the local area. For Toilet Stories, students worked with international partners in Australia and Canada and presented their work at the London Design Festival. The final year begins with a dissertation on a topic of your choice, where you define your position as a spatial designer through constructing a relationship to past, present, and emerging design cultures. That research feeds directly into your final self-directed project, focus on climate justice. Students work on a shared site, shared local site, for example here, a disused Victorian building in Peckham, and reimagine it in very different ways and scales. From carefully made recycled furniture for community garden, to an urban scale speculative transport hub, a space for reconnecting with nature, or a space for celebrating local cultural traditions through food, making, and dance. The year ends with a public exhibition where you will design a space, curate your work, and share your creative direction with the world. And there's so much to explore beyond the course curriculum. We have weekly professional practice sessions with university specialists and recent graduates. We have study trips across London to explore its architecture and creative spaces. In year 2, you can go on an international exchange. And between year 2 and 3, there is an option to take a year in industry or gain a qualification from the university's Creative Computing Institute. Life after the course, around 30% of our graduates go on to do postgraduate study. Mostly in spatial design, but also in business, marketing, or computing. The experimental and self-led nature of the course also helps develop strong entrepreneurial skills, and many students go on to freelance or start their own practice. Roughly half go into interior design across homes, retail, and hospitality and office. Others move into areas like architecture, landscape, or urban design, or other creative industries like product, set, lighting, and game design. And increasingly, our graduates are choosing to work in education, research, or the community and humanitarian sectors. If you're interested in joining our course, head to the course webpage to explore more student work and more graduate case studies. When you apply, we'll be looking at your personal statement and your portfolio. And our admission process is contextual, which means that your potential can shine through whatever your background. We are looking for a clear personal agenda, strong curation and presentation, a range of art and design skills, curiosity and enthusiasm for spatial design, and that you show care for how buildings impact people and the planet. So next steps, read our course webpage, visit us on college tour or open days, go to the university's portfolio advice webpage, apply on ucas.com and use the scholarship search tool to check what financial support is available. And if you're an international student, check if there's a representative in your country. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, both the course and the college, and contact us on the email below. Thank you for watching.